Mind your business.
And mind your own business, Mrs. Dupree.
Fence man, but mind your own business.
Has nothing to do with you. Mind your own business.
Lee, when you gonna learn to mind your own business?
Hey, why don't you leave him alone?
Why don't you mind your own business?
I'm just asking.
Maybe you should mind your own business.
Mind your own business, old man. Stay in the car. Hey!
Mike, I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Mind your own business.
Oh, Sophie, no, that's dog ice cream.
Mind your own business, bitch!
He didn't seem to be paying much attention to you. You mind your own business.
So what do you guys get under there?
Just a whole bunch of mind your own business.
I prefer you didn't do that.
I prefer you mind your own business.
Oh, be quiet. If you can't come up with a sensible suggestion, then kindly mind your own business.
Says he loves me.
Has he hit you yet? Mind your own business.
Get away from my woman.
Mind your own business, Willie.
What?
It's over between us. He just won't accept it.
Call if the league needs me.
Is that your way of saying mind your own business?
Yep.